Suppose you create something, that is something which may be a patentable thing, it may be a copyrightable thing, it may be a trademark kind of thing. You have done that thing, but who is giving you the protection? There is an act. So now when you use that instrument is nothing but the act. And this acts is like you can say that is the IP laws are there. So we have seen all the acts whatever are present. Okay. So that is what the IP laws are, or the acts are there. Now what is IP? It is an intellectual property. That is a creation of a mind or creation of an intellect, right? Then we have seen the various types accordingly. That is what the intellectual property is. So this is intellectual property, this is intellectual property law, that is acts. And when you apply your that instrument, that is acting onto your creativity, you are creating the rights. So somebody is nothing but the sovereign. Sovereign is giving you the right, and then we can say that okay, now you have the rights and you can now enforce that rights because you have done the registration according to the rules, regulations or the guidelines which are given in the act. So that is what IP, that is intellectual property. This is like IP laws and different type of acts. And now for that creation, you applied this law and you have created.
So it basically comes together, and that is what gives us the IPR, the rights which we get.
So that will be